Hey Morgan, Michaela, and Gary. Okay, this is going to be a real quick tutorial on Google Forms and Google Docs, just because I don't know when we'll be able to touch base tomorrow before your guys' meeting after school. I've got metal detector duty tomorrow morning, as I think you guys know, and looks like you guys are busy during my plan. So the first thing to do is pretty simple. Just log on, get on any internet browser, and then I'm going to go to a Google account, and I can log in. Um, and I have an automatic password memorizer, so it's pretty easy for me to log in. But if you log into any Gmail, it should be pretty fine. And it will take you to your email account, but you're not really interested in that. What you're interested in is drive.google.com. So if you click drive.google.com, it will take you to where you want to go. Another option, of course, is to click on this guy, this tic-tac-toe. Just click straight on the drive. This will take you all your sorts of different things that you need to know. But either way, I'm here. And then you'll want to click New. This is, of course, where all your stuff is on your drive. And you can see I got a bunch of folders here and use it quite a lot. But what you're going to want to do is click New. And so a new Google Doc is something that I'm sure you guys have used. It's just a blank document. It's what Destiny uses to keep the notes on. So it's not, I don't think it's that useful unless you just want to share agendas or build a document that you're working on together. What I use and what we use for the prom themes, which I'm going to show you how to do right now, is a Google form. So I'll click on New, but instead of a Google Doc or a Sheet, which is Excel, or Google Slides, which is just Google's version of PowerPoints, I'll click More and go on to Google Forms. And this is really where it becomes more interesting for me. So this is the form, and I'll start, of course, and I'll put the title up on it. And so I'll call this one Prom Themes for 2016. And I can change this title, but it shows up here and here. So now I can save it, start, I'm moving a folder, and this is what it'll look like. So the first question that I ask, I can make it a multiple, variety options. It can be a multiple choice, it can be text, it can be a paragraph text where I want them to write something long, or it can be choose from a list and I only want to give them 4 options. So for example, this is mine. I'm thinking, okay, I can give 4, so I'm going to click 4 there, and I'll make it a required question. And in each of these, I'll put the prom themes. It's pretty easy. And my question might be, what should the prom theme be for 2016? The prom 2016. And I say, you must pick one of the options below. And I'll put my option here. I can't remember them right now, but I know one is Enchanted Forest. Oh, that's not how you spell forest. Just one R. Okay. I know another one is Empire. Just joking, Gary. It's not really. It's Under the Sea. I don't know why I just deleted that. I think it is. I'm not putting Enchanted Forest here. Etc., right? That's pretty easy. I'm going to do that later because I don't really have the list of the options in front of me right now. But I hope you get the idea of a form. So I can make this a required question, and I can keep going. I can add an item, and I'll get more and more questions. And you can see that this is what they do. They'd be able to select there. If you wanted to change that and make it multiple choice, that's great. It's the same basic thing. But what I get to when I click Done, and of course this would be it, is I can move the questions around. But really what happens is, what's really important anyways, is to view the live form, right? And I can change the theme here, just thinking about it, and make it something pretty in the background, like if I wanted it to be a beach. I'm thinking about prom, and I'm thinking something like that looks really nice. No, that's not quite as nice as I wanted it to look. No, it's not a dinner. I kind of thought they'd have something nice and elegant, which is not. It looks like camping. I know we've used that one before. I'm going to stick with that one because it looks like the nicest of these. Okay. And then the view responses, when I click on that, sorry, I wanted to make sure you guys could. is where it shows up, and this will show up in your drive if you create this. As you can tell, if I go back to my drive, it's here. This is where I see the responses. Right now, nobody's done anything. Nobody's responded. This timestamp right here shows when they've done it, when they entered in the Google Doc and click submit. So the other thing that I can do is click view live form, and this is what it looks like live. So if I were to send out this link to somebody right now, this is what it would look like. Of course, it's not very good right now, so whatever. But that's how you can send it, or just click send form here, copy this link, and post it wherever you want to, if you want to post it on School Loop or whatever. So, in fact, let me just do this right now. I'll guide you all the way through the process. I'm going to get onto my Facebook and find the prom themes. Can't remember what they were, so it's best that I do it now. Here we go. Wyandotte High School Senior Board. I better like that. I didn't like it. I know Destiny posted them on the Google Docs, so we'll wait for my internet to load. It's a little bit slow because I'm making this video right now. But, okay, here they are. I got them. Under the Sea, I was right. Empire actually wasn't a finalist, so I'm going to cut that out. I know Destiny must have done that as a joke. So I'm going to go back to this one, and I'm going to edit the questions. You guys see how I did that? Alright, so I'm going to click here. Alright, my first one, and I'll just put them all here. And it looks like Google automatically figured out that I wanted each one to go on its own line. I'm going to get this little space away because I don't like that. Oops, 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 oops. I just wanted that little space. Oops. Okay, I'm having some difficulty with that. Okay. I'm going to eliminate Empire and eliminate option 2. There is no other, right? And I want to make sure that's a required question, so let's do done. If you want me to ask for their name, that's fine. In fact, let's add another item. And the item will be pretty simple. We'll just have them write in their text. Please include your first and last name. Right? And make that a required question. First and last name. They'll write that in there. And I don't know why that option 1 is down there at the end. Let me delete that. I didn't see that before. Did you see how I deleted that? This trash can there? Okay, I might move this up here to the very first one. So they put their name first and then they pick. And then at the end, it says your response has been recorded. Thank you. And that's what I want. So let me look at the live form and see what it's like. Let me get out of Facebook. View live form. This looks pretty easy. So the student would put their name in there, and then they'd pick their prom theme. So Tim Stauffer. Then I want Enchanted Forest because I want it, and I click submit, and it says your response is recorded. Thank you. Now if I go to my drive here, and I click on the results, it will see here Tim Stauffer, Enchanted Forest. And it's pretty easy. And so you can send this form going back to this page, copy that, and put it anywhere you want to. In fact, where I'm going to put it is right on our Facebook page. Well, maybe I won't do that quite yet. I don't know if we're ready for that. So I hope this makes sense. I think that's what you want to do. If you want to do a sign up, you'd edit this and have it be a sign up for Powder Puff or something like that. You could change your theme, and then make sure whoever does this does it on their own Google Drive, on something that they're going to watch and go to often, so that anytime you click drive.google.com and go into your drive, this document, this form show up. So again, if you're coming into Google, new, Docs, or what I'm recommending is you do forms. Alright, thanks for your time. Please let me know